Hello everybody, I'm in Luling again today. It's around noontime, about 88 degrees, so pretty nice day for this time of September. Just caught a westbound grain train going by. It was loaded. It had a Missouri, Kansas, and Texas car on it, the Katy, that had a sign on it that said home shop for repairs, do not load, but it was loaded down like all the rest of them. If y'all know if they ever take those signs off once they get them or not, let me know. I don't know for sure. Leave a comment. I'll try to put it in the slideshow, which reminds me, the slideshow is just wonderful. Once you see one of them, you'll have to see all of them. The train was going slow. Going to pull into the siding on the west side of town there to wait for a manifest to go by that I've already filmed today. So we'll see if we see anything else for you today, or if we'll find some stuff tomorrow as we head back the other direction. Y'all have a good day today. bye.